Today we're at a place called Grimes Glen in Naples, New York. There's going to be at least 2 waterfalls that we're going to show you that are pretty cool. It's 88 degrees out today, so it's a perfect day to be in the water.
This is my isopod. I think he's trying to find its house.
How do they know where to go?
Because we use their... Stay still, isopod! We use their antennas to feel around. See? Look at their antennas. They're gonna... I like isopods.
Let's go. Hey, it's just blowing away in the wind.
Now it's time for bug spray.
Yep. It's not that bad.
The longest fossilized tree was found in this area. It was over 16 feet long.
Esther's got a hitchhiker.
Oh boy.
Stop! What? You got a hitchhiker. It's a little caterpillar.
So the tree was over 16 feet long, the fossilized tree, and now it's in the New York State Museum.
And it's home of the oldest.
The oldest fossil tree.
Yeah.
So maybe not the longest, but at least the oldest.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
So there's definitely fossils that you can find here.
Yeah.
We're not really going to be looking for them today, but they are in here.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this is the trail part, but we're mostly going to be walking in the creek bed. Time to get in the water. Time to get our piggies wet. It may be almost 90 out, but that's cold. Go.
Oh, not so bad. I think that you have the right idea with wearing tennis shoes.
Yeah. I like wearing my running shoes. Okay, so we're almost at the very first waterfall that you come to when you're walking up the creek bed here. It's going right through the trees, and then we'll show you the next waterfall right after that. Should we climb up it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Here we go. We're gonna climb up. A little bit slick, but there's some roots here. These roots make for good climbing. Yeah. There we go. Cool.
Wow. This is my first time actually climbing all the way up this. Right here.
Here's another creek. We'll walk up this another day.
Yeah.
And here's a view from the top. Pretty good ways up. It's a nice slope coming up, so it's not too steep, even though it might look kind of steep. This little swing.
I tested it.
Does it work?
Yes. Wait, let me try. I can get up on it.
That's some kind of rig they've got here.
Like someone tried to make the game that's super hot. Okay. If I were to actually get going on this, it'd go like... I just start spinning because of the way it's slanted.
Here we go.
Alright, Sydney.
Down the hill we go.
You go ahead first and...
I'm gonna go down over here.
Mommy taught me to do it now like you're sitting in a chair.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go see waterfall number 2.
Esther, I'm so proud of you. You just did that and you didn't even say a word.
I did it before.
Yeah, but before you were so nervous and scared.
That was the other one, I thought.
No, that one. I remember. You're so brave.
We are almost there.
I slipped for real. I slipped. That wasn't a slip. It was too. I bumped my toes.
Sydney's the first one to go down.
Yeah, with a crash.
So this isn't too bad of a hike. This is only like a quarter of a mile or so. That's
Yeah.
not bad at all. This is one of the few deeper spots. A little above my knees. Oh, it's cold.
Not that cold.
Let's take a look underwater. I don't know if you'll see anything that's probably stirred up, but we'll give it a shot. See you later, buddy. What is it?
Chipmunk.
Oh, a chipmunk.
And then there was 2 other ones who were like chasing each other.
Oh, I see one up there.
Yeah, and then there was another one, they were like zooming around chasing each other. It was really cute.
There it is. We'll get a closer look.
Okay, we're gonna go up this really high up there. Here we go. Are you ready, Esther?
I'm trying.
Okay, here we go. Okay, they're debating how to get up. Come on, guys! Woo! There's the top of the waterfall. Sydney's going up the most technical part.
And Esther's about to face it.
With hopes that she will make it. You can do it, Esther.
I got this. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Oh, that looks scary. That's a good idea.
Good job, Sydney. There's Esther. You did it! Yay!
Don't fix it.
Here I go. This is a very small ledge. It's a long way down. They had to stop for a water fight. You guys ready now?
For what?
To keep going.
Yeah. I surrendered.
Okay. This is so beautiful.
Really? Yeah.
You don't think it's pretty? I think it's beautiful.
I'm excited that I didn't have a panic attack in the process.
You did awesome, Esther. You too, Sydney.
Thanks.
There's more people up there. Another water fight. Esther said she's bringing Alice a present. What's the present?
I'll bring this. It's a flower.
What is that?
A piece
Oh.
of quartz.
That's pretty, Sydney.
I think the white ones smell the best.
Yeah.
See? Mommy?
Can you sniff it? Now we're headed back. You decided to come back? Yeah, you took off.
Oh no. You guys were so slow that I had to come back.
Oh, we're just such slow folks.
Yes.
Look at these things. They must be for climbing. It's like a massive rod coming out of the rock.
I guess you could tie a rope to it.
Yeah, and there's one right there too. Oh, I wonder what that is.
Yeah.
If you know, tell us.
Write in the comments below.
Yeah, put in the comments below. I'm guessing it's some kind of rock, I don't know,
Thing to hook
rock
up like your
climbing or
ropes to?
something. Yeah, but it doesn't look like the normal things I've seen. Huh, that's interesting. Okay, now we're making our descent.
Today's going backwards. I guess that's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah.
You're going up and down.
Yeah, I think it is easier to go up than down. It's exciting too because you're on your way. Now we just have to go back.
Yeah, that's much.
Oh, here comes the scary part.
Sick. It's the scary part.
Yep, this is the edge.
Poor flower. It's wilting.
Hang on to the rope, Sid.
Without flower. Hang on. If you fall,
It's a long way down.
long way down.
Good job, Sydney.
I don't want more bandage than I already have.
Here we go. That wasn't so bad. We made it back. That was fun.
That is the cave. We are going inside the cave. I was confused. What's going on? Mommy found a big frog. Can I hold that, Mommy? I want to hold. No, I need.
There's a little garter snake. Go get him, Alice. Alice, go get him.
Get it, get it.
Get him. Be quick about it. Pin him down.
I'm gonna scare him all the way.
Get him, Alice. Get him, Alice. Get him. Get him. He's gonna run away from you.
No, you're gonna scare him in there.
There we go. Look at that big old frog.
Don't let go of it.
He's so slimy.
And you're gonna poke it in the eye. See that Alice hold it.
Goodness.
Hold on to him, Alice. He's gonna slip out.
Hold on. He's very
Kiss him. Kiss him. He might turn into a prince. Oh my goodness.
Alice, kiss it.
so
Kiss it on the face. Kiss it.
He'll turn into a prince.
Wait.
No, don't do it.
That poor thing.
Oh.
Okay,
Don't let it
let's
kiss
let
me.
it
Let's
go.
turn- No, I don't.
We're gonna let him go
Turn
now.
me into a frog. Kiss it on the cheek.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Frog mode.
Bye bye. There he goes. Bye bye.
Floating down there.
Bye. Swim. I love watching them swim. Yeah.
He's actually, and they use the current to their advantage, which I like.
There he is.
Bye, Mr. Frog. Bye, Mr. Toad. Thanks for letting me
Bye.
catch you. I want to feel cold. He's so